Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh Allah, increase in my knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying good health. Okay, students in phase 2. Today we will do functional grammar and our lecture number 3 is about nouns. We will do the definition and we will see what are common and proper nouns. Fine? Okay. So let's come to the definition first. What nouns are? Everything around us has a name. You all know that in this world, everything has a name. So all the names or naming words are called nouns. A noun names a person, an animal, a place, a thing, or idea. For example, Sarah and her dog are playing with football in the garden. In this sentence, you have seen some words are underlined. Okay? These underlined words like Sarah, dog, football, and garden. These all words are nouns. Okay? Sarah stands for a girl, mean this is a person noun. Dog stands for an animal. Okay? Football is for a thing and garden is for a place. Okay. So it's good to know that all nouns have a common name and also a special name. For example, boy is the common name for a person. Dog is the common name for an animal. Mosque is the common name for a place and car is the common name for a thing. Now let's see what are the special names. So the name of a boy could be Ali, a dog could be Pluto, and a mosque could be Faisal Mosque, a car could be Civic. So Ali, Pluto, Faisal Mosque, and Civic, they all are special names or proper names. Okay. So here is the definition of proper nouns. Let's see in detail what are proper nouns. The special name of a noun is called proper noun. Like Ali is a special name of a boy, so it is a proper noun. So it's better to remember that all proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Okay, like you have seen, Ali is written with a capital letter. Okay, one other important thing is that special names of cities, days, months, festivals, holidays, books, and people are all proper nouns. Okay. So here you can see some examples. Special name of a city is Islamabad. Monday is the special name of a day. March is the special name of a month. Eid al-Fitr is the special name of a festival. 23rd March is the special name of a holiday. Holy Quran is the special name of a book. And Sana is the special name for a girl or a person. Okay. Next comes our common nouns. The general name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea is called a common noun. For example, he is a clown. Okay. He is a clown. Here, clown is a common noun. Okay. He could be any clown. Fine. There is no name, no particular name. He could be any person. Okay. They live in a city. Okay. This could be any city, Gujarat, Rawalpindi, Lahore, Karachi, any city. Okay. There is no particular name. It is a dog. Okay. There could be any dog. It could be Pluto. It could be puppy, any name of the dog, okay? But this is the common name, fine? So, once again, see the example. He's a clown, a city, dog. These all are the common names of person, place, or animal, okay? Now, let's have a look at the activities. So, come to our question number 1. Write at least 5 common nouns you may find in the class. Okay, what you can find in your class. There are many things you may see: chairs, windows, tables, boy, girl, whiteboard. There are many things. You can write any of them. In your house, there could be windows, doors, tables, chairs, beds, whatsoever you like to write, okay? In the park, you may see a bench, trees, slides, swings, children, okay? So you have to write 5 common names in each group, okay? So here comes our question number 2. In question number 2, you have to determine whether each noun is common or proper. Write a common noun for each proper and a proper noun for each common noun. Okay, first 2 I have done for you. Like you see, cat. Cat is actually a common noun. And the name of my cat is Fuzzy. So Fuzzy here is the proper noun for cat. Okay. South Africa. South Africa is the proper noun for a country or a place. Okay. So its common noun is a country. Now the rest you have to do by yourself, like holiday, June, clown, Wednesday, garden, Eid al-Azha, road, and planet. Okay, students. So here comes our game's time. Okay, what you have to do is let's play with nouns. You have to write a name of a place, animal, and thing with the letter given. Okay, like first one I have done for you with the letter H. The name of a person is Hina, place is Hyderabad, animal is horse, and thing is hockey. Okay, so you have noted that the name of a special person is Hina. It is written with capital letter, a proper noun. Similarly, the name of the place Hyderabad is also written with capital letter, whereas name of animal and thing is written with small letters because these are not common. These are not proper. These are common nouns. Okay, so here are some other letters like C, D, M, and L. You have to write all these names, places, animals, and things by yourself, students. I hope you will enjoy this game. And remember, don't forget to submit your notebooks till Friday, 24th July 2020. Have a great day, my dear students. Allah Hafiz. ये बीच में जो मैंने